Mason's going for it again. Guys, I took a hard digger. He kind of took the life out of me a little bit. I would have never believed, some spots it's pretty muddy. I would have never believed that we're already throwing dust up out here. Oh my God, Mason. Oh my God, Mason. Calm down. You guys see that exhaust? He comes up here, I see him about 20 feet away. He grabs a full throttle handful on that SSR and skies it, exhaust flopping everywhere. Oh, Tyler, dude, he got the little fishy off the... Oh, the step down there, about lost it. Check out these ruts though, guys. This one's a little bit soupy. This is the only one when we started today. And then we made 2 more out there and they're pretty sick. Tyler's putting in motos. Oh my gosh, that thing sounds horrible. I see what I was doing wrong here. They found the much faster, drier line. They're coming up here to the right of the grass, coming right here and feathering it through there, where I was coming up, slamming the brakes to a complete stop, getting right here in the muck and trying to get out of there. Bad line choice by me. Either one's better than that one though. It. Bro, you better be careful. I'm telling you.
Was he getting loose?
He's doing stuff that this bike is not meant to do. Before this jump over here,
yeah, I'm
filming, I see him come by. About 20 yards before the face, he grabs a full handful. I mean, talking elbow to the ground. Skies it, exhaust bouncing off the ground. Oh my God. Like, dude.
Mason's a full sender, I'll give him that.
Time to adjust that chain, bro. You stretched it with those flat lands.
Oh my God. Is your axle loose? You sure the axle ain't loose?
Oh, it probably.
The nut's not tight. Oh, the axle's almost out of it. The axle's about to fall off.
Oh, man. Fixed.
Dude, he's sky flatlanding that wheel about to fall off. He's a maniac.
That's how Mason gets down.
Dude, I just want you to be careful, man. I don't want to see you sit out this year over this super sport racing bike.
I was coming for you and then I got loose. There's my bass in.
A little loosey goosey.
I gotta go tighten that up.
Yeah, dude. Holy cow.
And we were saying Ryan's nuts for riding no front nut. Is there a nut on it?
Barely. Like,
Still threaded?
it's barely, but I can take it off my hand.
That was 30 minutes, 12 miles.
That was 12 miles?
12 miles I rode. I stopped after the first lap. I never started my watch.
GPS watch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go take care of this and I'll be right back.
Yeah.
We'll be able to see it mapped out and top speed.
You need to go get your priorities in line. Sit under a tree and think about what you're doing with this thing before something bad happens.
You go grab the old 27.
Oh yeah.
You might have cleared it. Well, he would have landed in the sand section.
Yep.